I remember coming to and I'm handcuffed to the cast iron radiator. And I remember lying against and banging my head off it to try and knock myself out. I believe at the end of this we're going to die anyway. They're not letting me go to tell the world what they've done.
Is léir gur nearna an rud seo go léir an damáiste do dhaoine ar bhann sicáilíoch agus cuideach gur an bhit sé an scéal orthu.
My mind was doing somersaults. I lived in this world inside a hood. I didn't exist as a person for those 7 days.